Hello everyone, Namaste dosto. I hope all of you are safe and doing well. Starting the session with positive energy, today I will be discussing how to innovate and transform our businesses in this difficult time. One of the most famous economists of the world said that this is not a conventional recession. It is more like a medically induced coma where we are temporarily shut down and it is much of the brain's activity to give it a chance to heal. While talking about my first point, how hotel businesses can transform themselves to survive in this global crisis instead of shutting down or taking a break. If hotels can start providing stays for fixed rental basis per month, which means a student, trainee or an employee who are staying on a temporary basis at a room or a flat can be targeted. If small hotels can start providing double bedroom space to two people, and if they can charge 6,000 or 8,000 per month depending on city to city and hotel to hotel, then I hope small hotels can generate fixed revenue per month if they get at least 5 to 10 rooms customers also. To explain simply, just a recent example, before lockdown, one of my friend who went to Jaipur for a crash course for 3 months. Initially, he found difficult to find house, flat or a single room just for 3 months. So, hotel owners can use their brains to plan, make necessary provision, also rules and regulation by which fixed renting room will not affect their regular guest or a customer for hotel stay. Second transformation, what good hotels can do, as they already have an infrastructure which now can be utilized for co-working spaces or even for startup to use their common areas of the hotel. So now if hotel provides space to them even on a daily basis by offering low price rates, they might get attracted because benefits of fast internet service, printer, also atmosphere of work will be quite good, and facilities of privacy of hotel space now can be turned into office suites. In my third point, innovating marketing measures can help. As we all know, big gathering weddings are prohibited. For luxury hotels, big fat Indian weddings will be limited to 100 guests only. So this is the best way to target them and convince them to have a 100 guest destination wedding. Just explaining with an example by taking Udaipur city in mind. As we all know, 1% of population of Udaipur is super rich, and before lockdown they might be planning to do a destination wedding in 5-star property of Goa or Umaid Bhawan Palace of Jodhpur, or in some cases outside India. But now it will not be possible. So if 5-star property of Udaipur can target these 1% local client and get them convinced to do marriage in their own hometown only by providing amazing packages deal just to support with few facts that coronavirus cases in Udaipur is very less, and also the rate of recovery is very fast comparatively to other cities. So while targeting local Udaipur clients, we can also target Gujaratis and Maharashtrians, as they can feel more safe and comfortable by planning any kind of small gathering, event, wedding, corporate activities in Udaipur. My fourth point talks about brand image and brand positioning, as I am just excited to see how big hotel chains are going to market them and what all benefits they are going to provide, because most important factor that every big hotel chain or luxury hotel has to keep in mind that declining of price rate has to be done strategically correct, because they cannot play with their brand position and brand image. For example, मर्सिडीज कंपनी अपनी कार की प्राइस इतनी नहीं गिरा सकता जिससे कि वो मारुति कार मार्केट के सेगमेंट में आ जाए. सो उसी तरह बड़े होटल चेन भी अपनी ब्रांड इमेज के साथ नहीं खेल सकते. What positive side I am seeing is that those people who were staying in 5-star property before, now after lockdown also, their standards will not decline to OYO. They might be shifting to 4-star or similar hotel chain. So now big brands hotel chain has to keep in mind that competitive price strategy will help them to retain customers and also their brand image and brand identity will be safe in this current market. Last point, which is somewhat practical, and I just gave birth to an idea of innovation. Every hotel owner, GM, marketing team has to think how to capitalize it by promoting and executing marketing campaign. This idea is applicable for every star property, which means 0 to 5. As we all know, wedding and marriages has been postponed and also few new will be shifted in near future. Those who postponed it might be gathering of 500, 1000, 1500 or even 2000. Every category is involved, means they have the budget to spend. So now every category of hotel can convince them to have the best fascinating wedding or a marriage with 100 or 150 guests, as according to the rules of government, every hotel can provide them best packages, benefits and facilities, safety and hygiene. Also in India, there is a culture of बच्चे बच्चियों की शादी में तो पैसा खर्च करना ही है, फिर भले ही क्राइसिस हो या डिफिकल्ट समय, बिकॉज बच्चे बच्चियों की शादी तो एक बार ही होने है. एंड जस्ट अ जोक ऑन अ लाइटर नोट, थोड़ा दिखावा भी तो करना है भाई साहब. एंडिंग माई पॉडकास्ट ऑन अ पॉजिटिव नोट, माई ओनली रिक्वेस्ट और सजेशन टू एवरीवन इज दैट इन मुश्किल समय में सॉल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड बनिए, ना कि प्रॉब्लम ओरिएंटेड. हम सबको मिलके एक साथ फाइट करनी है और इस कोरोना के इम्पैक्ट को हराना है. आई बिलीव एवरी इंडियन करेंटली हैव द एटीट्यूड ऑफ मैं हार नहीं मानूंगा. जय हिंद.